how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode here on the channel. Today we're going to go ahead and start the exhaust system, the Borla Exhaust System on this 2017 Coyote Mustang. Before we just get started with the install, we're going to drive over to an empty lot and we're going to do some sound clips for you guys so you guys could hear how this car sounds in stock form, and then how you guys could tell, and then you guys will be able to tell the difference with the Borla Exhaust System. So let's drive over there. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and drive the Coyote over to an empty lot so we could do some drive offs so you guys could hear how the stock exhaust sounds. We'll do a couple of rests for you guys just so you guys can have a good comparison on what a stock Mustang Coyote sounds like in comparison to the Borla exhaust system. So this is going to be the first time for me to drive a Mustang, and I really like it because it's a stick shift. So let's get started. Push start button, I like it. Oh man, it's super quiet. This exhaust is super quiet. It's really quiet. All right. Seat belts first. Put it on reverse.
Traction off.
No, traction on. And Pablo, this is like a high-end model, right? Because it has cameras and everything.
It's
or they're all standard with cameras.
The only thing it doesn't have is leather seats and the navigation. Besides that, it's right underneath the premium.
Clutch has a good feel to it.
Soft.
Very similar to the Camaro. Has a good feel to it. I do feel a lot higher than the Camaro. The Camaro I feel more tucked in. This one I feel a little bit higher. But it has a good feel to it. The seats have a good feel to it. This is a very nice car. Short shifter from factory because it's a competition package.
Yeah, it's stock like that.
You know, this might sound weird to you guys, but this car, you get a lot more sunlight than the Camaro. Camaros have a smaller window and not a lot of light comes in, but this one, a lot more light comes in because of the bigger window. Just weird fact that I'm saying. Might not even be true. Alright, let's see here. Super quiet. AC. Alright. Let's see here. How do you work this thing? There you go. Some AC going for us.
Nice.
There's no AC? Bro? Why, bro? You serious? Oh shit, let me turn this up. Alright, we'll put the windows back down. Want me to edit that out?
Whatever.
We'll leave it out there, bro. That's so funny. That's a comedy. Clutch is from first to second is very jumpy. It's grippy. That's a word. Drives really good though. Drives really good. 14.9 average mile per gallon. Like a lot of high RPM.
They love high RPM. They run better cold with high RPMs.
So the shift point on the brakes are good.
Oh yeah, Brembos.
Yeah, the brakes are good. I felt it instantly. So you shift at 6,500?
No, I try to just cruise it in this car, but yeah, it takes all the rev you can.
So what, all the way to 8?
No, I rev it at 65, yeah.
65,
yeah,
like if you were to race somebody, 65 is where you would shift.
Yeah, that's exactly where I shift, yeah.
Nice car. Nice car. Mind if we open it up a little bit?
Take the traction off.
No, I'll keep the traction on.
Go for it.
In just second gear. Oh yeah, this thing is it's pretty quick. Hey, it really wakes up on the big end, huh? Like it's very docile on the bottom,
yeah.
huh? But on the big end, it turns into a whole different car.
Cool, yeah.
Yeah, bro, but this exhaust is not helping you one bit. You cannot tell if you're going fast, even if you were going fast.
Very easy to redline like that.
This is these cars have a
second gen.
second gen Coyote.
Yeah.
I don't know very much about these cars, but they have a 2 cams, right, per head?
Yeah, it's a module, 2 heads, 2 cams per head.
So what does that help in, like torque or variable timing or something like that? Like, why do they do that? Why does Ford do that? To get like that docile feel, that comfortable ride on the bottom end, and make it turn into a monster on the big end?
They're trying to make it a lot reliable, putting a lot more work into their heads, and it really wakes up these 4 valves.
Yeah, I think it's a nice car. I like it. Well, guys, we got here to the empty parking lot. We're gonna do some rest for you guys, so you guys can hear how this car sounds. And that was just a little extra something, a little review from a Camaro guy, 6th gen Camaro guy, to a 2nd gen Coyote review. So, yeah, for what it's worth, right, guys? I'm a noob, so let's do this. Yeah, bro, super quiet.
Right?
Okay, guys, first steps first, raise the car up. Always be sure to have jack stands. Work as safe as possible. Okay guys, first things first, let's hit it with some screw loose. These exhaust bolts are usually in the butt. Alright, let's see here. Hey Pablo, do me a favor, yeah?
Show me. What's up?
Give me on that white cabinet that you see on the wall.
White cabinet on the wall?
Yeah, you're gonna see an impact.
I think it's when we take that off from over there. No.
What we're gonna do is we're not gonna have enough play. What we're gonna have to do is take off the 12mm bolt or the 13 that's right here. Take it off and drop the whole hanger back.
Okay.
And then we'll clear this, and then we can pull back. You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Yeah, the one
I
up
think
here.
that. Going in an extension.
Yeah.
It's not gonna fall. These are holding it right here. Watch it smack you right in the face.
Monday?
Watch it smack you right in the face.
Right?
I know that thing's heavy, bro.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we're gonna have to get this wrap. Do it. Let's go. Let's see what's holding these. Oh, fuck. That's neat. Alright, that's cool actually. I like that. That's neat.
A little safer, right?
Yeah.
Hopefully we can get more movement with it.
Yeah. You see how it's gonna hit the rubber? Ah! Okay, Douglas. That's what I didn't want to do. Look, that's exactly what I want to do. He's like, I'm on beat. You saw that, right? I was on beat off cautious and he just yanked on it.
That's what you do.
Porque el dueño pues si puede hacer eso. Figure it out.
Oh. Hell yeah.
Alright.
Oh, son of a bitch.
Okay guys, I'm gonna be the first one to say this. It wasn't that bad. The beds are pretty nice from Ford. Look at it.
Yeah.
They're not pinched or anything. It's not bad. But this thing is killing it right here. Borla attack. Well, nothing to it but to put it back on.
Go for it.
All right. See, but one of the... Wait, why doesn't this lock slide in? Wait, something's wrong here.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay, go back out.
Okay.
Or you're saying flip them?
Yeah, like with these bolts pointing up, like with that.
Oh shit. Okay, let's see. No, well, how? But these are welded to the. Wait. Okay. Yeah, you're right. Okay, go out. Wait. Yeah, go out.
Hold on.
Okay, cool. Yeah, it worked. It helped us out there.
Yeah.
You probably want to give me a hand on this side?
Yeah.
You know what, Pablo? They were backwards.
Yeah, they were, huh?
Yeah. So now, if this one goes here. What is it? Oh, man, this is working my little muscles I haven't worked in a while. Alright.
You're not gonna tell me you gotta be a little bit stronger to work on a Mustang than to work on a Camaro.
Alright, pull it out, all the way out.
Okay. Noodle hands up there.
Oh, dude, it's yeah.
Nigga, that shit was numbing out here. Both of these.
He was like, Pablo, come hold this real quick.
Yeah, nigga, I'm over here.
I'm over here listening to Buck say, "Hey, come and look at this."
Okay, so we gotta take this crap out. Let me see. Where is it? Okay, Pablo's gonna do the first startup. Car's still in the air because we're gonna check for leaks. But you ready, Pablo? You're excited?
Ready, man. See how it goes.
All right, let's do this. That sounds good, bro. Wow, that sounds really good. Oh my god, that sounds good, bro.
That my car.
That shit sounds.
No, we're good.
Damn.
Wow. What time is it, bro? It's not too late, right?
7.
Pablo, what do you think?
For an hour install? Damn, what a difference.
It was like an hour and a half too.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad.
It was that bad.
Wow.
Sounds good.
Hey, it sounds. I like the
really?
little popping at the end.
Yeah,
Ooh, look at the tips too. They stick out like the right amount too.
right? Like the stock ones did a little bit like that too.
Wow, it looks nice.
Sounds good.
Well, good work,
Fucking
bro.
happy, man.
Good work.
Thank you.
Sounds
Good
really
work,
good.
Mikey. Let's bring it down. Job well done, guys. Job well done. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes another episode here on the G Splitters Garage. This Coyote sure sounds pretty badass, I gotta say. So, in closing, the owner, final thoughts?
Can't be any happier, man. Thank you.
Alright guys, and for the first person who stuck around to see the end of the video and saw us put this sticker on, comment down below. I want my free sticker and I want to ship you out a free sticker.